Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we wanted to show you 5 cool tips for a new iPad Air 5. So the first tip, I'll show how you can add any widgets to the home screen of your iPad. In order to start, just long press to any free space you have on your screen. Then you'll see that this little plus button will appear on the top left side of your screen. Tap on it. Now choose any widget you like. I'll just choose the clock widget. Press add widget button and put it whenever you feel like putting it. So I'll just go ahead and place it here. Press done, and that's pretty much it. The next cool option I would like to show you is a split screen option. So you can open any app, and if this app supports the split screen feature, you'll see these 3 dots on the top middle side of your screen. In order to activate this feature, just press on these 3 dots, choose the middle option, this one, and after that choose any app you would like to split screen with, basically. I'll just go with Maps, and now you can simultaneously use Google and Maps, and that's very comfortable since it allows you to multitask pretty easily. In order to disable this feature, just press on any 3 dots, either here or here, it doesn't matter. I'll just go with this side and choose this option, the first one, and this will just simply disable the split screen feature for you. The next thing I wanted to show you is how you can edit this little stuff, which is called control center. In order to do so, just go to settings, find the control center section, and you can see that this top controls are the ones which are active, and you can either remove them or let it be. I'll just show you how you can remove them. Just choose the unnecessary controls. In my case, it's going to be code scanner. I'll tap on this red minus sign, remove. Now it is no longer there, as you can see, and you can also add some controls that you would like to use from this control center. I'll go with low power mode, and as you can see now, you have a low power mode icon here. The next tip I would like to show you is how you can change the keyboard size if you feel like the keyboard is too big for you. Just open up keyboard anywhere. I'll use the Google for it, and what you gotta do is place your fingers like that and do a shrink movement once again, and now you can see that your keyboard has been resized to a smaller variant of it. In order to rotate it around the screen, just long press on this gray line and put it whenever you want. I'll just put it here. And if you want to return it to the default size, just do the opposite movement and increase it like that, and it will return to its default and start position. The last option I would like to talk with you about is a low power mode. This is an awesome option which allows your iPad to run longer on one battery charge. We have 2 ways of activating it. I'll show you both. The first way is to go to settings, find the battery section. It is right here. Tap on it, and here you can see this low power mode. So in order to get it active, just tap on the switch, and if it turned green, then the low power mode has been successfully activated. The second option, as you might guess, is to activate this low power mode from the control center, because I've added it right here. And if you open up the control center, you see that the icon of it is sitting right here. So in order to activate it or deactivate it, just press on it. So now it's activated, now it's not. And when you activate low power mode, you can additionally make sure that you did everything right by the fact that your battery turns yellow. So that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for your likes, comments, and support. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.